What is up, everyone? June is in the books, and so let's check out the reality driven trading trade results for the month of June 2026. And first off, this right here should say June, as should all of these. So June was actually a pretty good month. So start out with TLC, and my TLC trades did very well. Um, 25 total trades. You can see down here as I'm correcting this mistake. There we go. Overall monthly results, TLC trades had 25 total, 25 or 20 winners, 5 losers, 80% win percentage, plus $14,160 in profits. So great month of TLC trading. Mostly iron, morning AM iron condors, 16 and 5. Did have a couple lunchtime 2-0, and hey, look at that! Had a couple power hour trades. So love to get back into being able to trade more during power hour because they decay is so nice. So very good win percentage. All these trades are posted in real time in our Discord. So let's take a look. I got this broken down by month annually. So 14,160. Second best month of the year so far. Okay. Earnings. Next up here, we've got, I only did one, and it was a $348 loser. So not a very big sample size there, but I'm still in red for the year on earnings. One DTE. Let's go back here. 9 total trades, 6 winners, 3 losers. 67% win percentage, but 2 of the losers were pretty big, and so minus 2,605. So it's 3 months in a row in the red with the old 1 DTE. So that one's I'm gonna keep it in my trade plan, keep trading it, and just hope to get that turned around, man. It's been a struggle. And I think the moves have been so big and so directional this year. It's been I don't know if I want to say it's been different or it's just a new norm that we're living in, where we're just seeing 70 to 100 point moves almost every day in the S&P 500. Like if you get a 50-point move day in the S&P, like that's small nowadays, where you used to get those moves like once or twice a month and that was it. But yeah, it's just some pretty volatile times, even though, the VIX right now is only at like 16, 17. But to me, like, it just doesn't matter. Like, we had like almost again, today we had like an 80-point range day. VIX is under 17. I mean, so it just doesn't matter. Um, but the big moves really just hurt that one DTE. Mahomes. This is the end of the day butterfly plus $4,632. I didn't start tracking it until April, so and I don't track the number of times I place the trade. I don't trade it every day. I mean, I try to unless I don't get filled. Like today, I didn't get a fill. So, but last 5 to 10 minutes a day, it's continued to be a strong strategy. So continue to trade that in July. FOMC, I had one trade, which was the FOMC Iron Condor got stopped out. Really, really tough trade there. It was a really kind of weird FOMC in June here. It was the first meeting with the new Fed president, and so I think that had something to do with it. I couldn't trade the cream because the day that it fell on, the Korean has Friday options, and that Friday, the 19th, was Juneteenth, so the markets were closed. So I couldn't even trade that strategy, which has been a pretty good one. And then this got stopped out. I even went bigger than normal because to be honest with you, I think this is the first in like 3 years of trading this, like the first loser that I've had on the FOMC Iron Condor. I mean, you can see 1810, 1578, 840. So I actually went up from like 6 to 10 contracts because I thought, okay, well, I'm not trading the green. This has been FOMC Iron Condor has been so good for me. Let me size up in it. And of course, as soon as I size up, market just sells off and stops me out. So, you know, that and that first screen back in January have put me in the red. Usually do pretty well on FOMC days. We'll try again in July here to get back into the green. So, anyway, if you take a look at our total for the month, then between all of these here strategies I trade, plus $11,439. So very good month. Looks like my third best month so far. So anything over 5 figures, I think, is a great month, given the times we're trading in right now and the wild swings that we're seeing. So if you are watching this and you're interested in learning more about navigation trading, go to our website, realitydriventrading.com, and you can click on pricing and go to, I recommend going in and just doing a 14-day trial for free. Click on this. It'll open up 14 days free, and then it's only $79 a month. I mean, you get all my trade alerts. You get all the courses that teach you what I do. You get all the bots that I use. You get to interact with other traders. So, I mean, it's 14 days for free. You can't really beat that. And then, just go month by month if you want to jump in and get everything for free here. Monthly membership's only $79 per month. So you look at the results. I mean, all it takes is couple trade alerts, and you're gonna make your membership back super easy. So the goal is to not charge a lot. The goal is to build a community of traders who can learn and help from each other. So go to our website, check it out. If you, I also have one-on-one coaching. If you have questions, you can click on that. You can email me at chat@realitydriventrading.com. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting one thing here. Oh, you can book a Zoom call if you got questions. So right here, book a Zoom call. You can join our Discord. So book a Zoom call, and then you can pick a date and a time that works good for you, and I'll get on. I'll do a Zoom and answer all your questions. So it doesn't cost anything. And again, if you want to, you can email me here. So hope to hear from you, and let's continue to grow reality-driven trading. And I will see everyone in the community tomorrow. So, and if you're new, hopefully see you soon. Everybody have a great night. Talk to you soon. Peace.